Hey guys, Parvesh here. Welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Detail. Today we will discuss about wireless charger. At first, unbox the charger box. I have bought this wireless charger from Flipkart for Rs 1200. Inside the box there is another box wrapping with charger bill. Here is the main box, RAGER R200 wireless charger. The packing of the box is looking good, and behind the box there is detailed mention about the charger and other written formalities. So don't waste any time, just open it. Peel this plastic layer off and then open this box. There is a Type A to Type C data cable inside the box, and beside that the wireless charger. Also take it out from the packing. The charger is really lightweight but feels solid in the hands. The downside of the charger, there is an input output detail mention, 10 watt or 18 watt input supply, and 5 watt, 7.5 watt and 10 watt output ranges. The good thing about this charger, it has grip both sides of it, so there is no worry about phone slipping. The charger comes with a Type C input port, which is a good thing to consider. There is a green LED strip around the charger. It glows when the charger and the mobile make contact wirelessly. So this is today's video. If you want to watch these type of tech videos, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching our video.